Hi, Mark from Survivor Filter here. I want to talk a bit about how to best use the Pro X, because it's a precision device and there's a lot of little techniques you can use to save you a lot of effort and trouble. Now, first thing is, the biggest complaint we get with the Pro X is the inlet hose isn't long enough. Now, I just want to talk a little bit about why we use a shorter hose. Everything on the system's been regulated and tested. From the material we use, the way it goes in, to how much water is absorbed by the internal carbon to make sure that we get the heavy metal filtration that we need and the chemical filtration that we need. My advice with any of these types of devices is not to filter directly from the actual source, but to get a collapsible bucket. And if you guys ever talk to me by phone, you know I always recommend this. Get your collapsible bucket, fill the bucket up. All right, you got it in there. The sediment will drop to the bottom, make your life a lot easier. Put it up here. Now here I use 2 AA batteries, but you know that the Pro X can be powered by any micro USB battery source. It can go into a wall plug and it comes with the micro USB. It can be attached to any portable battery, whatever you need, basically. It's adaptable, but it also comes with 2 AA's. The reason we don't put batteries inside the device is when you put a battery inside one of these devices, you increase the chance of failure. By keeping all the batteries external and providing options, we can also keep our lifetime warranty, knowing that the device is not just simply going to break down on you. So, the pre-filter, you're putting that in here, you're hitting the button, and that's it. Let the device do your work for you. You can see it's going to filter right through within a matter of seconds. It'll do all the work for you, crystal clear, coming right out of Georgian Bay, without having the whole effort. Now, I want to talk a little bit about how best to prevent clogging. If you ever notice that you're getting a kink or the motor's overrunning, it's because of this guy, your pre-filter, your membrane pre-filter. And the reason is, if you can see in here, inside the membranes, sometimes a mineral gets jammed in the last portion because you keep sucking up and you haven't backwashed often enough. So my advice is, don't wait until the system is clogged. But every 2 to 3 liters, or maybe 1 to 2 liters, just backwash it. And how you best backwash, you take the clean water, you put in the pre-filter, and you do 2 swigs out. 1, 2. Now you've done that, let's do some air. Do 2 swigs of air too, without any water in it. 1, get all that. And 2, if you can, and boom. That'll keep your Pro X running really smooth. Same principle when you want to pack it up. Now let me just drink this water to show you that I'm not scared of it. And I'm thirsty. All right.